Welcome back to the Builder Lab. Today I got 7 cool prints for Halloween. So to start us off, we got the articulating skeleton foot. And this one came out really well. I had to give a little bit of persuasion to the joints when it came off the build plate, but other than that, ready to go right off the K1C. This was a good one. I'll throw in the time lapse after each one of these and then show you how it's made. Yeah, that's the articulating foot.
Is it fate that I can't run away, hoping someone else will change without getting in the way? When it's said,
The second one we got here is a little pumpkin with articulating legs. Now this one's pretty neat because you can put it on your monitor and the little feet hang over and sitting on top there. Like this one. This one's a good one. So I used the CFS for this and make it multicolor. Turned out really nice. A little bit of bleed from the black, but kind of to be expected with overlapping colors like this. Still looks really good.
watching people rearrange, not admitting I'm afraid.
I'll go to the next one here that I also printed with the CFS. This one's a ghosty pumpkin. A little bit of issue with the overhang. Probably could have used a little support, but pretty easy to just bring that out. Not as much bleed on the mouth, but a little bit on the eyes there. From the support there. I think it turned out really nice.
Oh, my words were true. I turn this earth for you. Don't wait on something more.
So the next one here is a little fridge magnet. It's a nice little Pac-Man ghost. Takes 2 magnets on the back there, 10mm by 2mm. And I accidentally used PETG for the eyes there, so hoping that will stick long term. But turned out real nice. So next one we got is skeleton chicken. Not much more to say about that one. If you're gonna print this one though, probably use support on the under the bill. Thought I could get away with it, but obviously not.
It's an open door, and I hope what you're praying for will come back around. And I'm lost with the heat you wore as it dissipates into nothing more than a ghost of a past I forgot.
Alright. So the next one we got is a little vase mode ghost here. And yeah, put a candle underneath. Comes through the eyes and the mouth. That one was a nice one to print. Had a little bit of issue printing it the first time with it not sticking. So definitely use a little bit of glue stick.
Is it wrong if I'm not moving on? And And I'm trying to be strong, but you're still holding on. And I'll take the part of you that breaks and call it by your name until one of us remains.
And our last one we got here is the skeleton hand. So another one that you could put a candle in, fake candle, obviously. And yeah, simple print. Turned out real nice. No issues with overhangs on this one. Everything's pretty straightforward. Yeah.
'Cause all my words were true. I turn this earth for you. Don't wait on something more. It's an endless tide, it's an open door. And I hope what you're praying for will come back around.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapses and the showcase of the prints. I'll have all the links to these in the description, and yeah, hopefully you print some yourself. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.
Need you more as it dissipates into nothing more than a